Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening a blank Google Sheet and choosing the cell where the calendar begins. Enter the first date of the month, for example 1/1/2026, and set that cell's format to date so Sheets recognizes it. Once done, make sure your spreadsheet locale and week start setting match your preference. This prevents weekday shifting. Next, drag the fill handle to create a row of dates or use a formula to increment days. This gets your concrete grid ready for layout. Now you build the 7-column grid and label weekdays across the top. You can use simple increments like equals A1 plus 1 or a more robust formula such as equals date, $B $1, $B $2, 1 plus column, -1 depending on your setup. This ensures month boundaries align. Once your dates fill the grid, freeze the header row so it stays visible. Apply conditional formatting to highlight weekends and use a holiday list with match to color specific. Finish by entering events into cells, enabling text wrap, and adjusting row heights so entries are legible. Use data validation or drop-downs for event types and protect ranges to avoid accidental edits. Then share with collaborators and set appropriate permissions. If you see misaligned dates or unexpected shifts, check the sheet's locale and each date cell's format, and confirm your formulas use absolute anchors where needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: convert suspect cells to plain date format to reveal hidden text or time zone issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.